Thank you very much. Ito yung the project natin na brake shoe. So, there are two versions of this one. Meron din black, and then this one is the red-black combination. And then, ayun yung logo ng the project. And then, tags. And then, itong ating enemy slim pedals. Ayan yung side profile niya. So, itong version na 'to, hindi yan puwedeng lagyan ng pedal strap, okay? Meron tayo yung isang version na enemy team, yun yung puwedeng lagyan ng pedal strap. Kung silver naman ang iyong setup and you need spacers, meron din kami dito sa shop. Ito yung the project natin na spacer. So, isang set yan ha. So, set of 3, 5, 10, and 15 mm. Ang isang kulay na available din nito is black. Tapos, meron din tayo dito. Ito yung ating the project na rear rack. Project na rear rack. So, this is very ideal kung magba-bike to work kayo and then kung gusto niyo rin gamitin yung bike niyo for cargo or nag-adventure bike ride kayo. Yan. Medyo bibigat yung inyong bike setup because 1.3 something ang weight nito, pero worth it naman kasi marami kayong maikakarga. Estimate load, maximum would be 25 kilos. So that's the amount of load na kaya niyong i-load dito. And then this one, na-extend yan na ganun. Yan. Then you can strap your cargo kung medyo malapad yung karga nyo. Yeah. Tapos pag yung i-unload nyo na, pwede nyo nang i-fold din ka. Yeah. Aluminum, and then this one is powder coated so it can withstand the weather. And hindi siya mabilis magasgas kasi powder coated siya. Then may kasama na siyang mga clamps and bolts. So do check this out guys. And shop is open. Do drop by. And if you have any inquiries, you can just DM us or call us in our WhatsApp or Viber. And also, you can check out our site, bmxcyclecenter.com. Details and added pictures are over there. Thank you and have a great day, guys!